All right, for this next video, we're going to be talking about data tables and the ability to share your work with somebody in a hassle-free way. There is a lot of cool methods with the data table. And for this video, I actually am expanding the data set I am using to include 5 seasons of the Big Ten, 2017, 18, 19, 2021, 2022. Skipping 2020, COVID year. So first things first, we're going to load up our libraries. Highlight it all, Control Enter. We have Tidyverse, the Home Depot of all data manipulation, OpenVolley, and library DT, which is the data table package. And you'll see the usage of it as I go on. Not to get confused with the data manipulation data table package. This is more of a presentation as a table in an HTML type language usable in R. So we're going to load up our data and we're going to create our wanted metrics. So data. Now let's call this data. So I'm going to use this later on, this data set, in different things, so I don't have to build it again. So now, to present this data to a crowd, to a coach, to a friend, to a colleague, we're going to just data table data, and that is going to return this. And if we really wanted, we could hit publish, and what that does is bring this up. So we could say rpubs. Warning, all documents are publicly visible. You should only publish documents you wish to share publicly, just so you're aware. So you upload this table, this will open up a web page, and you have to, like, already have an account? Yeah, I do. I'll put in that. Actually, oh, wow. That didn't work, did it? That did. All right. Go away. Come on, Google. Always pop-ups when I put in passwords. Secure my password more. Big Ten dog. Why not? Big Ten dog. And what that does, boom, there you go. You have a public URL you can share, and people can, like, oh, filter, serve percent, serve error. I think this could be a cleaner table. So there's some tricks you can use. There's some things you can do. The first thing you want to do, if you want to have a cleaner border, and we don't want to do head. Let's get rid of that. There we go. That will return us all. So that is nice. That has little borders, because you could see before I did not. But what if we didn't? These first row numbers right here are row names. This first column with nothing. They're called row names. So we want to get rid of row names, and we want to do the border. If we wanted to do both, we could do this. And bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, both. So that is kind of nice. And let's say we wanted to add a filter as well, because it's kind of busy, right? We want to add a filter. We want to be able to say, hey, I want to look at receptions when they're that much, so I can, look at it this way. So different ways to look at this, really simple. And then if you want to publish it again, it's super easy. You just hit publish again. Actually, not pose it. That's not what we want. I haven't used it yet. I think it would probably be pretty good to experiment with that. I bet it has some great features. We're going to just do that. I can't do it again? Oh, that's dumb. I think you can override it. Off the top of my head, I don't know. I'll be honest. So there we go. Now we have a cleaner looking table. And you can filter. Right. Anyway, I'm goofing off now. That's a long video. Too long. Now you can present your data.